My name's Ashleigh, I'm 22, I'm from Brisbane, Queensland, and I'm getting a breast augmentation and a lift. Well, ever since I was 17, I was never comfortable or confident with the way that my breasts looked. I didn't feel like they developed properly. One was significantly larger than the other, 2 cup sizes larger. I was 87 kilos after having my daughter, and I am now 57 kilos. So that weight loss had a dramatic effect on my appearance of my breasts as well. It was going to cost me $18,000 over in Australia to get what I needed to get done. But I decided to look into CosMediTour, and I felt a lot more comfortable with coming over to Bangkok to get my surgery done for not even half of the price, and it's a holiday as well. Well, I have a friend that came over to Thailand through CosMediTour to get a breast augmentation, and she was also featured on Operation Thailand. I did actually have a chat to her, and she had nothing but wonderful things to say about the experience, and she's got amazing boobs now. I'm very, very nervous. It is a major surgery, so anyone would be nervous, so yeah. With Dr. Pornthep, my experience with him was really good. I felt very comfortable going into the consultation with him. He gave me his professional opinion. So if I asked him, oh, would this be possible to achieve? He'd be like, no, this is what is possible to achieve with your body type and your physique. So we came to a mutual decision that we were both happy with, a realistic expectation of what I wanted my breasts to look like. This experience definitely met my expectations. I was not expecting the care and like around the clock care after my surgery. I was really comfortable with the fact that I got to stay in the hospital for 3 days after the surgery. I had my surgery 7 days ago today, and the recovery process has been a lot better than I thought it was going to be. Especially considering how I had a lift and implants, and the implants were under the muscle. I thought that I was going to be a lot bedridden for a lot longer than what I was. I was basically up the next day, walking around, showering and eating, and yeah, the process has just been really good. The advice that I would give others would definitely be do your research. I did research on the surgeon, I did research on the hotel, I did research on the company. I watched so many videos on YouTube, people's experiences, and that made me feel confident coming over to get this surgery done. Well, when I arrived in Thailand, my breasts were not good. I wasn't happy with the way that they looked at all. One was dramatically larger than the other, and they were very saggy because of the weight that I had lost. And now looking at them in the mirror, I am extremely happy with the way that they look now. It wasn't size for me, it was just the fact that I wanted to have nice breasts and feel comfortable and confident with looking at myself in the mirror. I love the fact that they are now even and they both look amazing.